Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is t to the power of t to the power of 3, and this equals 7 to 9. So we are solving for all values of t that satisfies this equation. Now, let's start with this particular method here. That means I can say let t power 3 equals x. So this t power 3 here, we are going to replace it with x. That means we are simply going to have t power x equals 7 to 9. Now, the next step will be to apply natural log. I have natural log of t to the power of x equals natural log of 7 to 9. So, if you have natural log of a power p, this equals p times natural log of a. Now, the x will come behind this. So what I'm going to have will be x times natural log of t equals natural log of 7 to 9. So now, what we are going to do will be to ensure that these two variables are the same, x and t. So that means we convert to this particular equation, this equation here, which is t power 3 equals x. Now what we are going to do is to isolate t from this equation by multiplying the exponent by 1 over 3. I have t power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 3 equals x power 1 over 3. So by multiplying this exponent, 3 cancels 3 here, we have t equals x power 1 over 3. So I'm going to have x times ln of, instead of writing t, I'm going to replace with x power 1 over 3 because that is what t equals. Of x power 1 over 3, and this equals ln 7 to 9. Now remember also that if you have ln a power p equals p times ln a. So if that is the case, that means the 1 over 3 will come behind this and multiply this x. So we have 1 over 3 times x times ln. What we are going to have left is just x equals natural log of 7 to 9. So from here, 1 over 3 times x, this is x over 3 of natural log x equals natural log 7 to 9. So from here we have x divided by 3 times natural log of x equals natural log of 7 to 9 is just like having 9 power 3. That is 9 times 9, that is 81. 81 times 9, that is 7 to 9. So that means this 3 will also come behind this based on this identity. So we are simply going to have x over 3 times natural log of x equals 3 times natural log of 9. Now, at this point, I can multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 3. So when once you do that, what you will have is this 3 will multiply to this will be 3x divided by 3 times natural log of x equals, this 3 multiplies this 3 here, we have 9 times natural log of 9. This cancels this. So we have x times natural log of x equals 9 times natural log of 9. This x, this x, this 9, this 9, that means x equals 9. Now, if this is true, then let's solve for t by considering this equation here, which is t equals x power 1 over 3. So we have t equals x power 1 over 3, meaning that t equals, this is 9 power 1 over 3, and this equals the cube root of 9. Because if you have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a. So that means we are going to have t equals the cube root of 9. Okay, that is that Now let's consider this other part or this other method. We have t power 3 equals 729. So what we are going to do will be to use this method. I can say let y equals t power 3. I'm replacing this with y. T power y equals 729. So right now we have gotten t power y equals 729. What we are going to do is to ensure that this t and this y are the same. I want the variables here to be the same. So I need to consider this equation. So if y equals t power 3, that means to isolate t, I need to multiply this exponent by 1 over 3. So have y power 1 over 3 equals t power 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. Please cancel this. That means t equals y power 1 over 3, right? So that means I'm going to replace this t here with y power 1 over 3. So let's do that. That means I will simply have, instead of writing t, y power 1 over 3, and this is raised to the power of y, and this equals 729. So if you multiply this exponent, you have y times 1 over 3. That will be y power y over 3 equals 729. So the next step will be to raise each part of the equation to the power of 3. So this is raised to the power of 3, and this is raised to the power of 3. Now what happens here is that this cancel this. Remember the identity. A power x to the power of y equals a power x times y. So we have y power y equals 729 power 3. And like I said earlier on, 729 is 9 power 3. That y power y equals 9 power 3 raised to the power of 3. And multiplying this exponent again, I have y power y equals 9 power 3 times 3. That is 9. So that means this and this are the same, and 9 and 9 are the same. If you have a power a equals b power b, that means a equals b. So if that is the same, that means I can have y equals 9. And to solve for t, recall that t equals y power 1 over 3. So we have t equals y power 1 over 3, meaning t equals our y is 9, that is 9 power 1 over 3. That means our t equals the cube root of 9. Remember the identity. If you have a power 1 over n equals the n root of a. So that means this is our answer. This actually corresponds to what we had earlier, which is this. And we have not made use of natural log here. So the next step we are going to take will be to check if our answer is correct. We have t equals, this is cube root of 9 or 9 power 1 over 3. And this is t power t over 3 equals 729. So what we are going to do is to check by inserting this value. I have 9 power 1 over 3 raised to the power of 9 power 1 over 3 raised to the power of 3 equals 729. So we start by multiplying this exponent. Remember, equal x power y equals a power x times y. Just cancel this, right? I have 9 power 1 over 3 raised to the power of 9 equals 729. So we apply this same identity again. 9 times 1, that is 9. We have 9 power 9 over 3 equals 729. So from here, we have 9 divided by 3, that is 3. We have 9 power 3 equals 729. And 9 power 3 is simply 9 times 9 times 9 equals 729. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9 equals 729. And 9 times 1, that is 9. 9 times 8, that is 72. So we have 729 equals 729. So this shows that our answer is obviously correct in all the methods. So guys, this is how you solve for this exponential problem. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and goodbye.